Hi, good evening everyone. Hope you all are fine. So today I'm here with a small story which will help you adding a new value in your life. So let's begin with our story. So once upon a time there was a businessman in a village. So the business was he was having a good grocery store, and through that grocery store he earned a lot, and through which that earning he made a few plots around his village. He bought them with the money as he got a lot profit out of that grocery shop. At the same time, I want to tell you that he was having two sons. And as the time passed, the businessman or the grocery owner, you wanna say, he get to know that one child is very much sincere and helping him in his grocery store also, and he is well educated and he is sincere one, and the another one gets spoiled out and he always stay in the rest mode only, lying here and there and not do any kind of work. So what the businessman thought is that he is getting very old now. So what he thought that now it is time to decide that what wealth I should distribute among my sons. So he thought that okay, he gathered whole village, and in front of all he announced that the son who is sincere one, I am giving his my plot which I earned, and the another son who was not well, not good, he said that from today onwards he will be the owner or the care person of that grocery store. Everyone got amazed, surprised that what he is announcing. Even if he knows that he is not the correct person to get that grocery store, why he is announcing that I am providing this whole grocery store to that spoiled kid or the spoiled son, you wanna say. So everyone got amazed. But the moral of the story or the thinking of the businessman is such great. When you hear it, one person came him after that announcement from the village and asked, what you did the announcement? I don't think it is the better decision which you have taken. Then the businessman replied here, I was also a person who was having nothing, and today I am here owning a big grocery store and buy the property or real estate through that grocery store. I know that son who is sincere one, he knows that how to make an grocery store and how to take care of that grocery store. So he allotted him that plot that one day he will earn money and he will be able to make an grocery store there, and he will be successful as me. So I allotted him plot because I believe him that he can again make a grocery store there if he is so sincere. And I had allotted my grocery store to the spoiled kid because I know if he will at least make that grocery store run as it is going in nowadays, if he take cares in such a way, that will also be enough for his livelihood. So the moral of the story is, as we these days, or we can say we are just complaining like that, I am not having these things, see those people who are having such great things, owning bungalows and like that. If you are not having those things, the God believes that you can make them. You can make them, my dear. That why God has not given to you, and He believes that you can make those old dreams fulfilled. And the things allotted to those people of whom you are thinking is just that the God thought that even if they take care of those, then at least it is fine. So hope you learned that you have to stop complaining that I have not got this, I have not got that. The God believed in you. That why He's kept you remain alone, and He has believed that you can make the all. Hope you understand a great lesson out of this story. For getting this more interesting and life learnings, just follow our channel Arsh Over Me. Hit the like button, share, subscribe our channel. Have a good day.